Okay, here is a short tutorial on how to organize data, especially when there's a lot of them. Okay, usually when you do 5, 6, 7, 10, it's okay, but this time, let's count how much do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 numbers. Okay, so how do you sort that easily? We use stem and leaf plot. Okay, so basically you take one number, let's say 84, and it's separated by the tens place, which is the stem, and the ones place, which is the leaf. Okay, so let's go and label the table over here. Let's label this as the stem, and this is the leaf. Okay, and so you see the numbers are jumbled up in order. So let's put some order in the stem. Okay, so let's make this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how does that happen? So remember, this is the stem, okay, which is the tens place, and the leaf, which is in the ones place. So how would I write 84? I would look for 8, and then I would write the 4 over there. See? So 84 would be 8 and 4. And I can cross that out. Remember to cross out the number every time, okay? 67, so 67, another 84, okay? 72, 68, 52, another 84, 93, 88, 66, 77, 77, 87, 50, 53, 100. Now we put the 100 here. See, 100, 94, 92. Now let's count. We have to have 18, so let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we double checked, we have the same numbers. So now what are we going to do next? Okay, you already have your stem and leaf. Let's put it into a frequency table to make it easier to process. Okay, so if you look over here, you can see that the lowest value and the highest value is over here. Okay, so the lowest number would be in the 50s, the highest is 100. So let's make our tables, our frequency tables. So these are scores, so your category, okay, would be scores. Okay, and next you have, remember, frequency, and then the last is cumulative, okay, frequency. Let me just put frequency there. Okay, now use the shape tool so that you could make your straight lines. See how easy it is to make straight lines using the shape tool. Okay, so what would be the lowest one? We need to look at the number, the 50s. Okay, so you have 52, 50, and 53. So that means you start with 50. Cancel that out, then 52, and then 53. How many 50s? 1. How many 52s? 1. How many 53s? 1. Okay. Then we go with 60, which is the lowest one? 66. 67, and then 68. So you have 1, 1, 1. Next, you have 70, the lowest being 72 with 1, and 77 comes out twice. Okay, 2. Then we have 8. What is the lowest? It's 84, which comes out 3 times. And then 87, and then 88. Okay, next you have 9. 92 is the lowest, followed by 93, then 94, and then you have 100. Now again, you need to check if you have the same number 18. So we do cumulative frequency. How do we do that? So you have 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? Plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Cumulative frequency 18. Okay? And then we check 18. So you can say that your frequency table is correct and your ordering of numbers is correct as well. So hopefully this helps you organize data that's composed of many numbers or terms. Okay? Bye bye.